Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Minecraft experimental features. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I'm going to click on play. And in here, you could either choose from a pre-existing world or create a new world. Okay, so I'm just going to go on and click on edit right here, just for example. In the left panel, go on and scroll all the way down and find experiments. Click on it. Now just enable it right here. You could enable villager trade rebalancing, turn on right here, on everything. For example, beta APIs, experimental creator camera features, voxel shape features. Okay. Now just click on back and save. All right. Now for creating a new world, at the top, create. Now same goes here. Scroll all the way down, click on experiments, enable it. Okay. Just turn on experiments anyway. That's basically it. That's how simple it is to enable Minecraft experimental features. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.